How to preserve lemons for a year. No spoilage, no freezer needed. And you'll be surprised, even after a year, the lemons remain vibrant green, not shriveled or mushy, and still smell as fragrant when cut open as when they were first bought. The best part is, the method is incredibly simple. Anyone can do it at home. Hello, it's great to see you again on the Clever Tricks channel. Today, I'll share a small but super useful secret to keeping lemons fresh for longer. On days when lemons are cheap, you can buy a lot to stock up. When the price goes up or you need them urgently, just open the fridge and use them immediately. No need to go buy more. In this video, I'll show you several ways to preserve lemons. They're all effective, so watch the whole video to see which one you like best and apply it right away. I have created subtitles in multiple languages. Please select your preferred language. Comment below and let me know which country you are watching from. It's amazing that we can connect from all around the world. When you buy lemons, the first thing you need to do is prepare a bowl of clean water. Then gently soak the lemons in it. Gently rub the outer peel with your hands to remove dirt. This step is very important, as lemon peels often have a natural waxy layer that needs to be removed before storage. After rinsing briefly, remove the lemons from the water. Prepare a bowl of warm water at approximately 30 degrees Celsius, 86 degrees Fahrenheit. Add 1 tablespoon of baking soda and stir until dissolved. Soak the lemons in the water for 7 to 10 minutes to deeply clean them and remove any remaining dirt and pesticides. After soaking, drain the water and rinse the lemons thoroughly with clean water. Then, place the lemons on a well-ventilated rack to dry completely before storing. It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Method 1. Place lemons in a breathable paper bag. Choose a clean, dry, undamaged paper bag that is the right size for the number of lemons. The paper bag should be breathable so the lemons can breathe, preventing excessive moisture that can cause mold. Place the lemons in the bag, but don't pack them too tightly. If you have many lemons, you can place a thin layer of newspaper between the layers to prevent bruising. Store the bag of lemons in a cool, well-ventilated place, away from direct sunlight. Lemons will stay fresh for 1 to 2 weeks, depending on the temperature. Check the bag occasionally, removing any spoiled lemons to prevent the spoilage from spreading to others. Lemons in paper bags retain their aroma and vitamins better than those left outdoors. I prefer using paper bags for lemons I buy and use within the week. It's convenient, keeps them fresh, and is especially useful when I don't want to refrigerate them. Method 2. Preservation in glass jars. Preparing glass jars. The glass jars need to be thoroughly washed and completely dry. For longer preservation, you can sterilize the jars by boiling them in water for 2 to 3 minutes. Avoid using cracked or chipped jars as they can easily spoil the lemons or cause the jar to break. Arrange the lemons in a glass jar, leaving some space at the top for easy sealing and to prevent spillage. If desired, add a layer of salt between the lemon layers to extend shelf life. Seal tightly, ensuring the jar is airtight to prevent bacterial contamination. Store the jar in the refrigerator or a cool place, away from direct sunlight. If using whole fresh lemons, they can be stored for 2 to 3 weeks in the refrigerator. Adding sugar can extend storage time to 2 to 3 months. The clear glass jar allows easy observation of the lemon's condition, letting you know when to change the solution or when it's running out. I usually use a glass jar with salt to preserve whole lemons. It's convenient, retains their fragrance, and they stay fresh for a whole month. Method 3. Soak sliced lemons in cold water. After washing and drying the lemons, remember to remove the seeds to prevent the lemon juice from becoming bitter. Prepare the vinegar plus sugar mixture. Stir well until the sugar is completely dissolved. If you want a slightly sour taste, reduce the amount of vinegar. If you want it sweeter, increase the sugar. Arrange the lemons in a glass jar, alternating layers of lemons with sugar. Optional, you can sprinkle sugar between the layers. Pour the vinegar and sugar mixture into the jar, ensuring the lemons are completely submerged. Seal the jar tightly and gently shake to ensure the mixture coats the lemons evenly. Leave the jar in a cool, airy place for the first 1 to 2 days, avoiding direct sunlight. Afterward, refrigerate for long-term storage. The lemons will absorb the vinegar and sugar and be ready to use after about a week. The flavor will be richer if left for 2 to 3 weeks. The lemons have a balanced sweet and sour taste, making them delicious as a seasoning, in beverages or in cooking. I like to slice the lemons thinly and add a little ginger. The flavor is both easy to drink and refreshing, and they stay fresh in the refrigerator for several months. Method 4. Frozen lemons. Have you ever had too many lemons and didn't know how to store them? Freezing is the best way to always have lemons on hand, even after several months. If you buy lemons from the supermarket, wash them thoroughly. They often have a waxy coating on the outside. Soak the lemons in hot water for a few minutes. Then rinse and dry thoroughly. Use a kitchen towel to dry the lemon. Now, put the lemons in a freezer bag. Use zip bags to preserve lemons. If you don't have a vacuum sealer, you can put them in water, which will squeeze the air out of the bag. Lemons can be stored in the freezer for up to 5 months. When using, you can zest them directly while they are still frozen or defrost them first. Where are you from? It's such a joy that we're connecting from all over the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. The pulp will be softer, but the flavor and aroma will remain the same. Another tip: slice lemons and freeze them for hot drinks. Slice lemons. Put the slices in a Ziploc bag. Seal the bag tightly. Put them in the freezer. When you need them, just take them out and use them right away. How convenient is that? I hope today's video inspires you to make your own spices instead of relying on store-bought ones. If you enjoyed this recipe, please hit like, share it with anyone who loves cooking, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more easy cooking tips. Thank you for watching, and I wish you good health.